Stable Diffusion WebUI Forge is an improvement on the original Automatic1111 Stable Diffusion WebUI. It offers not only significant image generation speed improvements on cards with lower amounts of VRAM, but also a few other quality of life changes you might enjoy. Most of the generation speed fixes are meant for cards with less than 8 or less than 6 GB of VRAM, however, even some more recent GPUs can benefit from some slight inference speedups. It also improves the performance of ControlNet for the Stable Diffusion XL. All the fixes that it offers are active right away, and that means that you don't have to mess around with any additional launch parameters at all. You can just launch the WebUI and benefit from all the upgrades right away. Here is how to install it on your Windows system. First, head over to the official Stable Diffusion WebUI Forge GitHub repository. Then you have two options. The first one would be to install Python and all of the required dependencies manually, and the second, to use the one-click installer. We'll go with the second one as it's much easier for beginners. Scroll down to the Installing Forge part of the page and click on the Download One-Click Package link. This will download an all-in-one installation package which can be used both on Windows 10 and 11. Place the downloaded archive package in the directory you want to install the WebUI in, and then extract it. I'll speed up the whole process here. Once all the files are extracted, you can delete the original archive. Now comes the very important part. As you can see, there are 3 bat files here. Environment, run and update. Before you do anything else, run the update.bat file. If you don't and you proceed straight to the run file, you risk running an outdated version of the WebUI. After you run the update file, and as you can see the execution will take just about few seconds, you can safely run the run.bat file. This will begin the actual installation process for the WebUI. The program needs to download all of its required dependencies, and depending on your network connection and your hardware, it might take up to a few minutes. Oh, and it also downloads a pretty high-quality realistic vision model, which is used as the default model in the Forge WebUI. It's a very nice checkpoint to begin with. And that's it, the installation process is finished. As you can see, we didn't even have to do anything with the environment file, as it is being called during the installation process by the run file automatically. The program should run automatically once the installation is done. If you ever want to run it again, just simply double-click on the run.bat file. In my experience, the Forge WebUI starts up much faster than the original Automatic1111 WebUI, and the inference speed on my pretty dated RTX 2070 Super is much improved with the same image generation settings. The program also has many extensions already integrated into the web interface. You can see them right in the Generation Settings tab. Of course, the Forge WebUI can also make use of all the extensions that the original Automatic1111 WebUI uses. One of my absolute favorite extensions that are available by default is the Stable Diffusion Video extension. It allows you to import an image, any image you like, and then automatically animate it. It works pretty well with my older GPU, and it's pretty fun to play around with. I hope I convinced you to give the Stable Diffusion WebUI Forge a try, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!